you go. Gonna sound like a kitty? Oh, you calling the kitty? Where's the kitty at? Kitty's sleeping. You don't want to wake the kitty. Meow. Oh, there's another kitty on the floor there. Yeah. You like calling the kitty? Yeah. Oh, that's a good kitty. How about a doggy? Can you bark? Ruff. Go ruff, ruff, like the dog. Oh, you're still into kitty mode. So you're not gonna bark. You're not gonna show everybody how you are like multilingual. You speak bird. You speak cat. You speak people. And I know you can speak dog. Where's the dog? You call the dog? Huh? Where's that dog? Woof. Can you speak like dog? Go ruff, ruff, ruff. Valentine says no. I'm into speaking domestic short hair today. Okay, bye-bye.